It's Mrs. Carter, and this is a brief tutorial on how to check out an ebook. All right, the very first thing you're going to want to do from your Google screen is to go up to the top left where it says Student Apps, and you're going to select that. Now, since I'm a staff member, I have more options, but you're going to go on down to where it says GISD Library Media Services, and you're going to select that option. And this screen should look very familiar since this is the one that you use. You are going to go over on the right hand side and click Bussey Middle School. And now, instead of searching for a book, we're going to go over to the top right side where it says log in, because we're going to check out an ebook and we need to know who to check that ebook out to. So select log in. And over on the left-hand side, it says log in using your account with sign in with Google. Just click the blue bar. It's going to give you an option. All right. Now, all I need to do is go to catalog in the blue bar. And then on the left side, there's a drop-down menu and it says Destiny Discover. You want to click on Destiny Discover. And we're going to wait for it to load, and then it's going to give us all kinds of wonderful goodness. We have the recently added books that we talked about. We have the popular titles, topics, and now we're at the ebook section. I'm going to click See All because I want to see all of the ebooks. I see all of these multi-user books are available. I am looking for something a little bit creepy. I like the scary books. Oh, there's one right there, Scream Street. I'm going to select that book. And it gives me an option to open it so I can read a few pages to see if I like it. But I think I'm going to jump right in and check that book out. It tells me that it is now due on November 25th. It's ready to read. I can open the book here. Or later on, if I want to read it, I can go up to the top bar where it says My Stuff. I can go to my checkouts, and there is my ebook. Happy reading. And when you are finished, all you have to do is return that book to the library with a couple of simple clicks. All right, enjoy your book.